We have seen props and JSX in the fundamentals section. In this section, we will try to dive deeper with various combinations and tweaks to deal with the props and JSX. We will also learn how the content of a component is passed to props as children property. For example, we have already seen this where we have the component name, the attribute for example here is value, and the string is passed, and this is actually passed to props in the component. But how about this, where you have the component, you have the property also, but in between you have the content. Now let's say you want to refer this value word, then you need to use the children property, or basically how to deal with it. That's what we are going to see in this section as well. So let's begin to understand props and JSX in detail.